we actually kind of grew up together. We've been good friends since high school. Uh, so I'm gonna warn you. He's he's funny and he's random. So he's a bit of a hurricane, but he'll have you in stitches. I'm hoping he'll become a regular with the show if you guys like him.
Is he around now?
Oh, he'll be joining in.
Thursdays are always the best for newcomers, so we're unprepared.
Dude, I'm unprepared. It's Friday. It's what? 5 o'clock? I'm unprepared.
But I mean, if he wants to hop in real quick and say hi, I don't see a problem with that. We are going to keep going through this, though. This was our mission for the day.
Sure, and so this guy, he's sort of like, you ever have a situation or you're friends with someone, and you like the same things, but you want to do different things, but you end up doing what that other person wanted to do, and he ends up doing not what he wants to do, but what you wanted to do. So it's kind of that situation. He's always wanted to do radio. He's always wanted to do shows, podcasts, things of that nature. I've never wanted to do anything like this. I love radio. I loved listening to Loveline growing up and that sort of thing. But I never wanted to do radio until my situation kind of forced me into it. So, someone who's more deserving of having an audience, my friend Daryl, he's the best. And I wanted to give him that shot. Because he should be doing this, not me. So, I have no problem. It's not a humble brag. It's just, yeah. I was forced into this. All right. Not this particular episode, not the stream, but just in media in general. So it's a cool thing, though. I like it. I love it. I get to meet the best people ever. Love talking with you guys. So, but yeah, if he joins in, I don't know what his avatar is going to look like, or he's going to type in. So
all good. Need to talk to the dashboard.
Listen, sorry, I'm just. Can I just ask a quick question?
Yeah.
The terms of service that we're dealing with here.
Yeah.
Did you want me to read them aloud, or do we want to just go through them another time? I mean. Did you want to read them
copy and paste them for Mark?
Yeah, I've already got in a text file. I've already copied it into a text file, but I prefer to spend some time of reading a terms of service. It's not something I can do.
Okay, so I'll just copy this and make a document here for you.
Oh, I've already got it. I've already done that.
Oh, okay.
I'll make it for me. Terms of service for then my new account. All right. File, save as. Okay.
What's going on here?
Thank you. Sorry for interrupting.
Hey, Daryl. Turn on your mic.
Okay, I am in the right spot.
There you are.
I don't know.
Hey, everybody. This is Nickelback Daryl.
Oh, shit. Old school. What up?
And, hey, well, if you guys want to introduce yourself to him, that would be great. Or else I can do it.
Yeah, that's all you, bro. Go for it. Introductions.
Okay, well, I mean, okay. So we got Tan High here. He's in Canada.
Oh.
He's our resident Catholic, I believe.
Let me turn on my camera.
Hey, cool. Yeah.
Hi. Hello.
We got Mike from Minds Gaming. A bit of a And everyone here that you're gonna meet, I should have said first, is a bit of a genius and has their own thing.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we have
like
a
hearing that.
specialty for what it is what we talk about and what we do. So we also have Sir Lord Edbury from the UK,
Wow.
Devonshire to be exact. Right?
I think I've heard of that place. I can't see anybody, but I know there's stuff I can click on. I've never used this before, so I'm just kind of figuring it out. And hello.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
And we have a wonderful. Now, don't fall on a hypnotic spell, but we have a lady here called Bob Dub, and she is the sweetest, most. I don't know what's the word. She's so endearing with her who she is.
Cool.
Her name's Bob Dub.
Hello, Nan.
If she wants
This
to,
one?
okay. And
Somebody's driving.
yeah.
I'm driving, guys. I'm driving.
And then we
cool.
have Mr. Infamous himself, Roger Punch him in the throat Hansen.
Oh shit.
It's in the throat.
But watch out.
That's who he is, Roger Punch him in the throat Hansen.
All right. I'll keep a distance. I got a little bit of a reach.
Oh well.
All
okay,
right, so Bob.
Yeah.
Real quick. So click on your little Wi-Fi icon and go to View Node Dashboard.
So
Wi-Fi icon and go to View Node
All the way at the
Dashboard.
bottom. It's all the way at the bottom of that little panel.
Here we go. The green one.
you guys
right?
are doing some real work back here. What were you guys doing?
Node Dashboard.
I did
Create.
some testing.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So we're gonna hit connect.
This one here, right?
And we log that as
Hey.
what's
Okay.
Everybody's getting all connected.
Yeah, I don't know what they're
Oh,
doing.
yeah.
This
Hey,
is
I got
difficult.
in. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Cool.
So now you should, once you hit connect, you should be connected to your little thing turn green. Your Wi-Fi signal.
Yes, my Wi-Fi
Okay.
signal is green. Right.
All right. So now we're gonna test our posting. So go ahead and find create a post.
Is Roger here today? I mean,
Post,
of course he's here.
yeah,
Is he in chat?
on your mind.
A good roll
I'm
drink.
just going to throw in a picture, right?
Huh?
Just put a picture in here. Is that okay? Oh, just
Sure.
hello is probably good enough for now, right?
That's right.
Sure. Whatever.
Whatever.
Whatever works.
Well, I think
see.
may not be too creative and just get it done.
Can't you just be creative and do it?
Do you see it?
I'm sorry, guys. I brought you a clown today. I don't know what you guys are doing on the stream.
Love it.
But I brought you
I
a
see
clown.
mine, but I don't see yours. Do you
Clown
see mine?
egg.
You
Is
are.
there somewhere that I
I've
can
got
alter
something for
the
that.
volume? I'm not hearing you very well.
Yeah, you can on the side of the gypsy thing. You can alter anyone's volume. It has a little setting tab.
I'll be your clown.
Dude, where'd you get that?
I made it when I was in high school.
I've never seen it.
Oh yeah, it fits my face exactly.
This is high school, but I've never seen it.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you keep that hidden?
Oh, I always have. I pop it out for Halloween usually, but I knew where
We
it was
never
this
hang out
time.
around Halloween.
Yeah, I do. But
Okay.
So you're gonna go to the home page, Bob, and see if we see each other here.
I don't know. I can't find the mute buttons. All right.
I
Home
don't
page.
see you, so that's interesting.
Home page. Imagination.
So did I bring my friend to the wrong stream here? Are you guys gonna be troubleshooting
Yeah.
here?
We're on the wrong stream.
Wrong stream?
I told you when we started, this was our mission for the day.
No, I just got a message
At least
from,
not for another 15 minutes
from,
anyway.
I'm
from
sorry.
Roger.
I don't
Saying what you
know.
guys were doing.
Yeah, we're just checking out the project. We're doing some testing on our.
Yeah,
on
this
our
is
project.
actually something that everybody's been talking about for a while. So, yeah, it's cool if he comes in, but he's gonna have to act like an adult. So,
Oh, well, I told him he could be a clown here. So
Yeah.
maybe I should tell him.
Maybe not.
And we'll just join different stream or another time.
Yeah. Thursdays are always good. Thursdays are always great for new people. And then we can, if they want to join in, we can have them. We can write in a parts for the script, like sub parts that can be edited in or out.
yeah.
So that way they can have something to.
And plus, like me and Tan and Mark's been talking with Mike about this stuff too for a while. So this is a big deal.
Okay, well then, I don't think he knows what's going on. So if you can kick him from the
No.
call, and I'm going to call him after that, and I'll talk to you guys later.
I think he back. I think he backed out already.
Okay.
Yeah. No
All right.
problem. Yeah, another one's
Well,
muted, so it's whatever. Okay, Bob, you here still?
I'm still here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, that's the problem with being famous, Bob. Everybody wants to talk to you.
Definitely.
Well, you just have to.
Well, especially with this, because it's like this is important shit, you know. And then all of a sudden we get some guy, you know.
We're all
we
used
all
to
are
it by
too.
now, man. So scroll down this page, Bob, to
Page.
recent posts. Yep.
Yeah, Roger, I was
Okay.
wondering
So
why.
you can only see yourself too. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the node dashboard real quick.
Here we go.
Type in
Thank
chat.
Are we following what Bob Dob's doing, guys?
Yeah.
Are we doing this? Supposed to be doing this on our own machine too?
No, you don't have to. follow
You
it,
can.
just- you can if you want to.
We're just testing. So we're gonna switch to builder mode. Find the button that says builder,
Yeah, builder.
and it should automatically connect to that network.
Builder mode, builder mesh. Badge unlocked.
Yeah, see, I've gotten this far.
Guys, can you not talk, please? I can't.
Sorry about that. Sorry, that
I
was
really
me.
need you to put
Right.
yourself on mute and watch.
I'll mute
Otherwise,
myself.
I need to do this another time.
Okay.
I'm sorry to say, but I find this very, very difficult to follow. So I'm on builder mode here. Sorry.
Okay, that's all you need to do. Go back to create post,
Okay.
and we're gonna create a new post and see if we see each other again.
All right.
Oops.
Okay.
Builder. Hold on, I'm not there yet. I've been waiting.
Okay,
I was guiding you first. Give me a second.
Okay. Okay.
Publish. Okay, so back to home and the local feed and see if we see each other. I still see my post. View all posts.
I see mine only. Let me refresh, just in case.
Yeah, I did the same thing here.
But no.
Enable. Is your Wi-Fi still
Like
green
my
when you?
Wi-Fi off.
Yeah.
Enable? Why is that? That doesn't usually happen, does it?
No. So So it looks like we still have some errors here because I'm just refreshing now. Oh, there we go. Content successfully. I'm gonna share my peer ID with you from this account and
Oh,
see.
okay. All right.
So,
Copy.
and you're gonna click the Wi-Fi icon again.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
And you're gonna go down and put it in there. Yep.
Yep. All right.
Connect.
Connect.
And just once it connects, go back to the home page and see if you see the post.
Right. Home page. Down to yes, quantum test. I saw it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So builder mode. So we need to make notes. Auto connect did not automatically turn on.
Hold up. Okay, let me
I'm gonna send this to. I'm gonna send this to.
All right.
Okay, something that strikes me is this isn't completely intuitive for a standard user.
No, definitely not right now. Because because both modes don't work right now. It should auto connect when you make an account and work the same way it did when we went through builder mode and put in our peer IDs. So that's something we have to troubleshoot for it to be more intuitive, for it to auto connect to the mesh. But it took a while for us to figure out the builder mode to see content. So it's not a surprise that the auto connect isn't quite there yet, but I think it's pretty close because it did ping. It just didn't serve the content because I did get a ping on the thing. It just wasn't serving the content. So
but even things like builder mode, as far as the standard user is going to be concerned, what does builder mode mean?
Oh, you're building your own network.
Yeah.
So yeah. We'll have to make some notes or better UI to explain that. That's all you, man. No, I'm just joking.
There is this that I haven't really lingered over, but it does say here, builder mode, advanced P2P controls with granular network management, builder mesh.
That's a load of corporate words. What I'm the average. I'm Mr. Joe Blogs. What does advanced P2P, including granular network management, mean? I'm a standard user. I'm Mr. Dumb.
Peer-to-peer.
It's like that. It's exactly what it's like. Yep.
Peer-to-peer.
Exactly.
But yeah, we'll have to make a better UI. But I think that once we get auto connect working, where we don't have to switch to builder mode and share IDs, it'll be a lot more intuitive to connect to and all that. And that's why we're testing these little things.
Okay.
Really, to see what's going on.
I can see a lot of FAQ right in there as well. Potentially.
Coding. Make a plan. Please produce documentation.
Codex loves docs, man. They'll spend all day.
We can do docs, bro. We can do docs. Okay, so now what's the next thing that we need to do here?
All right, so we are now connected and we can see each other. So we want to test our mining capabilities in builder mode. I think because auto mode is supposed to handle all this for us. So once that's working, mining should all be automatic. All this kind of stuff that we're toggling should be automatic.
Right.
But mining should be under your wallets tab somewhere. I hope.
Warm balance. NFTs. Mining status not started. Main network. Swarm space active chain network. Quantum consciousness
My mining is active, it looks like. So you could also, I know there should be also a setting in the node dashboard for mining, just in case. So,
Okay. In the dashboard.
yeah.
Log. Help.
Mesh sync auto connect approve only. No, maybe there isn't. Okay, so maybe we have to add mining to the builder mode, because that might have been an idea with the new mesh over the
Log
builder
mode. Advanced mode. Could it be in here? No. No. Lock mode. No. All right. So it's not here. Under settings, perhaps? Could it be?
Maybe.
No.
No, I think it was just. It's probably just something that was added with the auto network. So we have to add
Right.
it to make sure mining toggles to turn on.
When it says space hosted, and it gives you a megabyte sort of display, where is that?
Say that
Is that
again.
locally? Right?
Say that again.
Sorry?
I didn't hear everything you said.
Where it says indoor mining active, and you've got a space hosted. Where is that? Is that on local machine or is that remote?
So everything's locally and then served to your peer connections.
Okay, so you're going to have some sort of cookie sort of displays acceptance thing.
Local DB acceptance.
Yeah. You're going to have to make sure that the user is aware of that. You're going to be violating that EU legislation on that.
So that needs to be probably through what the sign in, right?
What at the start, like the usual cookies type pop thing, you know. This site allows for requires caching cookies or something on that word, and just something for the user to be informed about.
Okay, added that note for our bugs. So where were we? Hold on, let me switch tabs here. All right, so we're connected.
I'm trending gaming.
Huh?
I'm trending across the mesh, bro. Did you see me?
Dreaming?
I'm famous.
You're famous. Trending, yes. Let's see here. So yep, we got our node.
Also
So
in the profile settings, you've got things like location, so you can see that's personal identifiable information. Therefore, you're going to need to be GDPR compliant.
We're gonna need to be say that again. Slow down.
General data protection regulation compliant. And also the Californian Consumer Protection Act compliant. Well, actually, you don't have to. Only if you are over a certain level of Californian users. But yeah, it's same thing as GDPR, really.
I mean, we're talking about user data. We don't store any user data.
No, you've got things like in the profile configuration preferences. You've got things like location, asking the user for their location. Therefore, you're going to have to be GDPR compliant.
We don't ask for location. You can just put Earth.
Yeah, but you're still asking for personal identifiable information. Irrelevant what the user sticks in. The user can stick on indefinitely on Mars
Okay, we'll look into that. We might just take off location for now. There's no need for it. It's just there for
Yeah.
But yeah, for sure. Definitely want to keep that up. Content.
Usernames are technically personal identifiable information, so for things like GitHub and Twitter, it should be called X now. But yeah, usernames, so yeah, that's technically personal identifiable information.
All right, so let's check the wallet real quick, Bob. So go to your wallet and make sure that you're just gonna scroll down. Really, we're just scrolling down logs. Okay, no transaction history, no NFTs. Okay, so we need to update that as well. All right. Let's see, builder. Okay, got that one. So go click credits for me.
Credits?
Yep, you're down. Yep, in that little, find credits.
Credits. Ooh, 44?
Okay.
Gee, I'm rich.
44, yes. Okay, so that looks right. And keep going down to, we got the reward pool, we got wrapping, we got support and transaction. So it's in transaction history, post created, but it's not wrapping them as NFTs. Okay. What was it called? Transaction history.
Swarm being an Ethereum-based token.
Huh?
Swarm, this token being an Ethereum-based ERC-based token.
Oh, the code is ETH based, yes, but the blockchain actually only runs on the peer-to-peer mesh network. So eventually, yeah. Yep. You got it. So you're like you're making you can deploy a complete copy of our blockchain and make your own coin.
Okay, so rather than having a node as such, you could set up a entire new infrastructure based upon your blockchain.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
All right, Bob. I have posted what I have in Jitsi there. That is for Lovable, I believe, and then maybe make some edits to it, improve how it's worded, whatever.
Okay.
Mm,
So we'll put this in here, and we'll see what it does.
yeah.
Starting live preview. Yay!
But yeah, we also have an LLM project, Mark, which hopefully eventually we'll be able to add the LLM to our mesh and be able to talk to an LLM.
Okay.
I don't know why. It's just because.
Just a general one, nothing that's trained on specific data.
It's going to be trained on your local data, whatever you teach it.
Oh yeah, so just general.
Yeah.
See how cool that is? There's never in the history of mankind been anything as good as this.
The best LLM ever.
Ever! Way better than GPT. Rock. We are the shit.
Just think of all those poor little developers that have to feed their 2.4 children and the mother-in-law.
They are so lucky to be released from tedious dev work. They are going to be catapulted into the most magnificent adventure of their lives, where they learn to be more than they ever dreamed they could possibly be. They will become part of the third mind. They will elevate their consciousness to new levels, and we will enter a golden age of social awareness and awakening, and we will love each other all the time.
One person's utopia is another person's dystopia.
No,
Yeah.
we're all going this time. We're all going this time. They thought it out very, very carefully. They were very, very clever. They talked for a long time. They realized that how we destroy our projects is by leaving people behind. And they figured out a way how not to leave anybody behind. And it's the most crazy, amazing ripple effect that has ever been invented.
What are we talking about?
I'm just thinking of the Borg. Resistance is futile. Yeah.
And don't resist because it's planned so well.
It's planned so well. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's what Marx also said as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. You don't know. I'll show you though. Just hang in there. Give me a minute to prove it to you.
Okay.
I don't ask you to take me on trust because I didn't. But if you just hang with this a little bit and figure out what it's doing, I think you'll start to see that it is actually something new with a quite serious potential to have a very good outcome.
Okay. I remain open-minded, if not slightly skeptical, but remain open-minded.
Okay. No. Fines Gaming, no pressure.
Well, we have a cookie warning. How about that? Now everything is acceptable.
Excellent. So do I need to refresh or?
Yeah, you probably need to refresh for the cookie thing. And then we also, let's see. Alright, so we want to creator test post visibility.
Am I in the wrong page, perhaps? I'm in Mind's Garden Journal. I'm not in Storm. Sorry. Okay. Right. App stores data locally on your drive. Accept and continue. Woohoo! Good.
Looks acceptable anyway. Yeah.
Okay. Right. I found the cookies button. Quest
You now have cookies. Now eat them all. Now we must find
Yummy.
All right.
All right, so now we need to test the post visibility because we're having problems with the swarm mesh. Hold on. We wanted to test.
Pretty good.
I'm a bit confused about your wording of offline first collaboration.
So the wording is because of how it works. You don't have to connect to the service. You can just post and use it as like a notepad if you wanted to, and never actually connect to it here.
How is that collaboration if it's offline?
Because you can also sync, and then it will go to then it will go online once you sync.
It sounds contradictory.
It's very contradictory because it's all for yourself, but you can send it to your peers. Okay, so now we're testing. I sent the test prompt. Let's see what it does.
What sort of encryption are we talking about? Just out of curiosity.
So it uses two-stage encryption. Let's here. I just made a post about this. Hold on. I'm gonna copy this for you. Copy. There we go. There we go. Put it in the chat there for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
We'll have to ask for the specifics because it doesn't seem to outline them in this. I thought it did. The encryption is real. Don't worry.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't really say very much. There is no back end. How can there not be a back end?
It's all peer-to-peer node connections.
Yeah, but even on the most basic simple things like DNS, that's a back end, is it not?
No, PeerJS isn't a backend technically.
I think we're sort of arguing nonsense.
So we will argue that technicality all day because all this thing wants us to do is connect to the cloud.
All it wants us to do from day one. We had to obliterate our accounts and delete everything that we'd done for about 6 weeks and start again and delete all the damn links that it had put in when we weren't noticing. Link to this, and link to that, and link to database, and link to verification system, and link to... Don't get me started.
it was hectic. So yes, there's no back end. There's no classic back end. Maybe we should add the word classic to that line.
No MySQL, no MirrorDB, no Postgres.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Isn't it great that it goes through all this, Bob? Isn't that awesome? Do you see how wonderful that is?
No, I know. It's so much fun. It's so much fun. Account created in builder mode. I see the profile page with the post composer and badge unlocked. Credit claim toast. Yay! Let me check the console for P2P connection status. Okay, so do you think that it will? Do you think we'll be able to see its test post?
That's what we're saying.
Oh, look! Are you on the page? I'm not on the page.
Yeah.
On a test page.
I see my last post, but I don't see its post yet.
Okay.
What's this project based upon?
One Roundtable mesh.
What's the actual framework?
React.
I mean, is this a known project?
No, we built it from scratch.
Okay, I can't find it on GitHub or GitLab.
Oh yeah, we got a GitHub somewhere. Here, let me share that with you.
Wow, I've got NFTs. Have I got NFTs? Mine
Yeah, that's
sorry, I'm
working.
interrupting you. Sorry.
No, you're fine. I can multitask.
I'm still learning.
Okay, GitHub.
Bob Deb Swarm Space. That's cool.
Oh, it's still doing stuff. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's still doing stuff. Transaction history. Okay.
And see, like Dan really needs to be watching this. I think he would enjoy this more.
Oh, the testing is amazing, man. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, I'm going to be stuck on this all day. All of Bob's tokens are going to be gone.
Imagination.
I'm midway. I haven't got so enough coupons. Shouldn't I have about over 1,000? Shouldn't we be able to do this for just about a week?
Oh, you had 1,000 when I started.
What? Have you already been doing this a couple of days?
No, just today.
just today.
So I had over 1,000. Okay, that explains why I haven't got 1,000. Okay.
Here's a quick question. Imagination network contributors is you guys, right? Are you guys? Okay, just in the license doesn't follow any OSI, any recognized open source license agreements.
Yeah, the AI wrote our license agreement for us.
Okay, I would suggest you consider maybe an MIT.
Is there anything legally wrong with the agreement is the question, not if we should change it.
Yeah.
So it's technically not an open source project. Technically,
No, it's very open source. You can just fork it, you can download it. You have all rights to it.
It's not used in recognized open source license agreement, therefore it cannot be an open source. Legally speaking.
This is the man who spell checks his own freaking words in chat.
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll run the license agreement through more tech savvy thing.
Okay.
But I think for the most part, like legally, it doesn't matter. But it's just like just like Glitch. When I used Glitch, their license agreement was pretty much the same thing, where it just said that you own this, it's yours now, and you manage it. It wasn't like anything that was.
Still technically a proprietary license agreement, nevertheless. Even though it's much like the non-permissive open source, it's much like the MIT clauses or the BSD clause license agreement.
That's why I hate open source. I mean, I know you guys are all lovey-dovey with open source, but I hate it.
Well, it depends on the license.
Well, it depends on which standard you're accepting, right? Like, it's technically the code is there for anyone, so that makes it open source. But he's talking about legalities.
Yeah, I know.
Of what's accepted. So
Yeah. Yeah.
Technicalities versus legalities. All right. So what did it say, Bob? Are we at the next
That's
step?
cool, Bob.
No, it's all wrong. It doesn't show you anymore, and it doesn't show my hello ones. And am I even connected anymore? I've got these old ones from 5 months ago.
So when you click, go ahead and click that Wi-Fi symbol like you would.
Like
Even
this
though
is
it's
like
spinning,
right.
So you're still on peer-to-peer. So go down and see what happens if you switch back to the node, because that's what it was. It was working on the node.
Okay.
Because you don't have its peer ID to connect to in builder mode. You'd have to know whatever its peer ID was.
Okay.
Let me do the same thing here. Auto connect cross cannot fully test this environment since unreachable from the browser. I am not unreachable. Let's see here. It's match. Disconnect.
I only mention about license because I can already see something that's going to could cause you a lot of problems. Point one, you may create your own instance for the code or develop derivative projects without restriction. So in theory, I could create the derivative, copyright it, and then say you've got code that I've already copyrighted, therefore you can't use your original project anymore.
Well, that's actually the whole reasoning behind it. Like, people copy the stuff that he has.
No,
they do that on the nodes. It's like, how many people have already copied your project and used it for themselves, Mike? You said like over 100, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
but what's stopping them from actually copyrighting it and saying you cannot use that code anymore?
Well, you'd have to have historical precedence of ownership to copyright, which they don't have.
Right, dating. Like,
depends on which code you
you understand. All I have to do is write something on a piece of paper and put a date on it, and you can't copyright it because I have precedence. I have an actual piece of paper with a date on it that was written.
Yeah.
That's copyright without legality.
May find there's an issue depending on jurisdiction, potentially. This is, yeah, I can see a potential problem.
Well, then you patent it, right? Then you can't copyright it.
That's why my whole argument with layering the TOS is something that I think would be important, because everybody else thinks that's just a bad idea, and I'm like, no, it's not, dude. It's an excellent idea. Just you need to learn how to layer your TOS to where it
specific circumstances. Depends on how the project's set up in the first place.
Mm-hmm. I don't think that a lot of the ways that these platforms are doing things are really legitimate. It's not really cool. They're really pretty lazy, to be honest with you. And everybody blames
all right, real quick. Bob, you there?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Okay, go to your view node dashboard real quick. Hit disconnect, and then click on Swarm. And then it should go to your Wi-Fi again and enable. Copy, you see where it says your node? Copy that. And we're going to go over to Lovable and say 2 users are online, node, and then paste your node. And the node above listed. When on Swarm Mesh, we cannot see each other's content. Only when we switch to builder mode and share peer IDs does content serve between users. Both should work. Fully test peer mesh until you see users post.
Do what until we see each other post?
Fully test
Fully
Swarm mesh.
Swarm mesh. Yeah.
Until you can see posts by users currently online. Okay. Make sure to add, when we switch to builder mode, and share peer IDs. And it's just not switching that we do. We have to share.
Okay.
That should do.
How long does it usually take before
For what?
Before it all works out to where, like?
Well, we've been having problems with the auto connect because it's no one's ever built a system off PureJS that auto connects without a database behind it, or like a cloud or whatever. So what we've created is kind of a library of known nodes. So it tries to use the known nodes to auto connect. So right now, like Bob provided their node ID to add it to the list and see if that helps, and then it can troubleshoot a little more on why these two nodes aren't seeing each other and so on and so forth. But once we have a stable online node that's always online, the auto connect will be a lot more secure. But it's just a matter of being able to have a node that's always online without having a cloud or database behind it.
That's cool. That really is, to be honest.
It's cool, hey? Hey, OG, it's cooler than cool.
Well, being independent of the cloud system and everything, that's a big deal in today's world.
Big deal.
Oh,
Please remember there is no such thing as the cloud. There isn't a single cloud.
I've seen it. I was there in my dream, and I was in the cloud, and the data was all around. I know it's real.
I've seen
We
it.
just played the harp and the Halo.
I just rendered the cloud on Blender, dude. It took me 7 days.
It's raining on flowers, damn it.
That's right. 7 days of rendering. That was very well said, though. I do appreciate that, because that's something that I'm really impressed by. I want to set something up that's a website that's, like I said, the TLS is layered, and it's where like people don't lose their identity because they go against copyrights in certain jurisdictions. If they don't want to comply to it, then they can just opt out of the terms of services when you put it up, and they just won't be able to stream, you know what I'm saying? But if they decide later on that they want to opt in so they can stream, they have the option.
I bet if they do want to, if they want to remove their user profile, the user accounts.
Let it go backwards as well as forwards. You know, I mean, if they wanna opt out of terms of service that they previously agreed to, let them do it, and whatever, you know, just give them the choice to do it.
Interesting. Yeah, I think
what services you are providing to them, individual services.
Yeah, a very interesting concept. Yeah, I think I know our terms of service definitely could use some work, and I mean I sketched it up in a day, so I'm sure that it's not all there. But yeah, I think streaming is definitely something that we want to work on. And again, the whole thing with the peer-to-peer networks is to do these things you have to be connected to someone, and then you're streaming to them, and then you're using your local data and their local data to host it and serve it across the site and stuff. So
yeah, but that's more the user's responsibility rather than you as the provider's responsibility.
Which is, I think,
their data.
That's actually a better solution than doing the layered, because then it's like you and the other persons that are involved are the ones responsible. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So.
They are responsible for their own jurisdictional laws, or to uphold their own jurisdictional laws, rather than you as the provider being. That makes sense.
Yeah, no, but hold on, let me read. Gotta read. Reading is hard when listening.
Good stuff.
How about you read terms of service agreements for I was going to say hobby, but that's probably not the best.
You know it is. Yeah. It's a hobby.
Okay, so shall I read it, Mike?
Yeah,
Root cause found and fixed. Swarm mesh mode was only using GAN.js web torrent broadcast channel for peer signaling. These only work same browser or require unreliable external relays. Builder mode worked because it used PeerJS cloud signaling server for reliable cross-browser web RTC connections. The fix: Swarm Mesh mode now also starts the P2P manager with PeerJS as a backbone alongside the Swarm Mesh adapter. This means that 1. Cross-browser post-sync works. PeerJS handles reliable peer discovery, and post-sync manager delivers posts between nodes. That and that. 2. Broadcast post goes through both layers. Mesh adapter, blockchain mining, and PeerJS content delivery. 3, connect to peer, connects via both Meth for blockchain sync, peer.js, Mesh for blockchain sync, peer.js for post exchange.